One of the things that we had to do, which a lot of people don't have to do because they've already got them in their house, is that we replaced our very old, about 15 years old, ancient and very inefficient ducted air with splits. So I went and did a bit of research, learned all about energy efficiency ratings, and we put 4 in the house, and that means we now only heat and cool a room that we're in, and it's way more energy efficient and a lot cheaper. You know, the air conditioner was reaching the end of its life, so maybe wait until those particular appliances die, and then when you replace them, make sure you replace them with something that's electric and more energy efficient. So you don't feel like you have to race out and do it all at once.
Baby steps.